Importing video, audio, and images into Premiere Pro. Go to File, Import, or double-click on an empty space in the bottom left box. Now navigate to where your video files are stored. You should have your own folder set up in the media storage area. This can be found on the desktop. You should save any files you work on or work with in this folder. Keep everything together. This will prevent problems later on. Once you find your video, click on it to select it, then click Open. This is where any imported files go to. Using the same technique as before, you can import audio files and image files. Audio files will show up with a sound wave thumbnail. Images default at 5 seconds long. This length can be changed in Edit,